Hello, I'm Professor Hugh Dawkins. I'm the Director of the Office of Population Health Genomics in the Department of Health in Western Australia. Rare diseases are a significant unmet public health issue. Collectively, they affect about 1 in 12 people in the community, most of whom are born with the condition. Black Swan Foundation, a Swiss group, have estimated that around the world, rare diseases constitute a population as big as that of the United States of America. This is some indication of how big the issues are in terms of rare diseases. So this is why it's so very important that we understand rare diseases and how biobanks are helping us to understand rare diseases to be able to better diagnose, treat and manage people who are living with these conditions. This paper also points to the importance of biobanks as it highlights the role of biobanks in helping to find new therapies and in also demonstrating the importance of the networks that are being developed internationally for sharing of biobank samples and information.
I'm Dr. Caroline Graham from the Office of Population Health Genomics at the Department of Health in Western Australia, and I'm the chief author on this research paper, which looks at current trends in biobanking for rare diseases. The collection of clinical and genetic data and biospecimens that we call biobanks will play an increasingly important role in the diagnosis of and therapy development for rare diseases. In this paper, we review the current and future direction of rare disease biobanks. In particular, we look at research and development and the clinical utility and benefits of rare disease biobanks. We also discuss issues such as funding and sustainability, the incorporation of coding and ontologies to ensure the interoperability of collections, the return of incidental findings, patient involvement and support, and the need for strong governance and ethical standards around the use of biospecimens. Biobanks are fast becoming a valuable resource of material and information for rare disease translational research. International cooperation is critical to sharing the limited number of rare disease samples and achieving the necessary critical mass. By improving access to samples, we can support and enhance medical and scientific collaboration for rare disease research.
I'm Kate Bushby and I'm part of the RD Connect team at the University of Newcastle in the UK. We work on rare diseases. Rare diseases affect the conditions which affect less than 1 in 2,000 of the population. That means that although they're individually rare, overall there are quite a lot of patients who do have rare diseases, and so they're important both from a medical perspective and from the perspective of trying to find new cures and treatments for them. We know that rare diseases are particularly important when it comes to biobanking. Biobanks are collections of material, either from the general population or from people who have specific conditions, which are then available for people to do important medical research. For rare diseases, of course, the issue is all about their rarity and the precious nature of those samples. So while you get population biobanks, which might need to contain millions of samples in order to be valuable, just an individual sample from an individual patient with one of these very rare conditions might be crucial for the development of new treatments and therapies. So rare disease biobanks are really important. They need to be linked to resources such as patient registries and good data on the patients, and in that way, they're the best way forward for us to try and understand better how these conditions come about, how we can work to prevent them, and ultimately how we might try and treat them better in the future.